our party anthem. APC yìí tí gbogbo wa ní.
The national leader of the All Progressives Congress and former Lagos State Governor, also vying for presidential ambition come 2023, has been rejected by his own clan. Southwest have disowned Ahmed Tinubu. It's a vis-a-vis movement. It rejected us first, and the Yoruba nation had to follow suit. The moment he started dining with the Northerners, coupled with the Lekki toll gate issue, all trust and hope for him went down the drain. The height of it was how he rejected Yoruba nation and did call for a referendum. I remember the colloquium he had in Kano during his birthday earlier this year, where he said that federal government should recruit 50 million youths into the army to tackle insurgency. Man, that was hysterical. Is that the solution for unemployment? No. Or did the youth say they want to be soldiers? Did they actually tell him that they want to be a part of the army? Is that what they went to school for? That's his own strategy to end insurgency anyways. Tinubu is not fit to lead Nigeria. That's if 2023 elections ever holds. Nigeria has always been attracted to seek precedent, and it's the more reason there has to be a breakaway. His health no dey okay at all, yet he is unrelenting in his pursuit for presidency. Do you know he had a secret meeting with some Northern caucus on Independence Day in London? Whatever they discussed in that meeting is yet to be disclosed. His posters now have flooded some strategic places in London. APC party members during one of their stakeholders' meeting composed an anthem against Tinubu and his godfatherism. They chimed in that the party is for everybody and everyone has a say. They chorused that they no longer want Jagaban, insisting for a referendum and intervention in Nigeria's politics. Imagine there's division in the party now. Southwest don't want Tinubu. Even the Northerners, I doubt if they really want Tinubu or they're just... This power tussle just got real. Don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Our party anthem. APC yìí tí gbogbo wa ní.